Hello, what is your name?
My name is Rancy Paulino.
How old are you?
I'm 38 years old,
What is your religion?
Christian.
Are you married?
Yes,
Okay, do you have kids?
yes ma'am.
How many kids you have?
One kid,
How old?
16 years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
I've been working in Hong Kong at 1 year and 2 months.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
Yes ma'am.
Where?
From Middle East, 5 years.
Okay, so how long you been working with your previous employer?
1 year and 2 months ma'am.
Okay, so where's your employer living in?
Anti-ham.
Where? How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,000.
How many family member there?
4,
How many children?
2 kids,
How old are they?
3 and 6 years, 3 and 6 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
6:30 in the morning,
Mm-hmm.
and I prepare for breakfast for the kids going to school. After finish preparing the breakfast of going to school, in my employer's house, I take care also pet. Then I'm going down to walk the dog and make it. Then after that, going back, then continue doing work in the house, household cleaning and everything.
Okay.
Then when Madam wake up at 8:30, I prepare her breakfast and going to the office.